All right, guys, we have big news. We have decided to get another caravan.
Woohoo!
We sold ours last year, and we've missed it ever since. And with everything that's going on around the world and everything, all the travel restrictions, we thought the caravan is an absolute ideal, vacation and holiday way to get around. So we're back here at Dario Caravans, which are the only Snowy River dealers in South Australia. We're going to go in and see Neil. He's the owner of the place, and he's going to walk us through a couple of bunkies. So come on through with us. We'll show you around.
Hi folks, how can we help you?
Hey, we just wanted to have another look at a SR20F.
Yep, no problems. We've actually got one in stock over the road. We'll go for a little walk and have a look at the vans. It's a bunk van you're looking at?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fantastic. So there was one over the road. There's also some spare parts and all that sort of stuff. So once we go through the van, we'll come back over here and have a look at some other bits and pieces.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay, let's go for a walk.
Hey, so guys, really lucky today. We've got a 20F here to have a look at. So jump in there, have a look, and see if it's going to suit your needs.
Let mama squeeze past. Whoa! How cool is that? It's like a tree house.
This is a Toby house.
It's just like a cubby house, isn't it?
So we look like somebody's found their spot up the top there. This is the double bunk range of the 20F. From standard you can actually get a triple bunk, and then also one of the really big features is a separate toilet and shower area here, and that is really good because you can isolate yourself off. Plus there's a washing machine inside the cupboard here. Now not only comes standard with a washing machine, but it also comes with a full size 184 litre fridge freezer, so you can load up for all the kids' food and all that sort of thing. So a really, really good size van, good size fridge.
And is that fully automatic?
It is absolutely fully automatic. So
Awesome.
Press of one button, it'll search for its fuel, and then it goes from there. You can also upgrade to a full size oven, but fan forced. And this one here has an oven in it, and you have a cooktop here as well with the triple burner and then one electric. So there are lots of standard features, and really it makes it easy to buy a caravan with the double bunk for you guys.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So the van we're standing in is the double bunk configuration. From the factory you can actually get triple bunk, but not only that, you can also get a fourth bed to put into here. This can actually be configured so you can drop down to make another bed, because everyone has kids that have their mates get dragged along, and you're always looking for somewhere to sit.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, so that's one thing you can do. You also got a really good sized bed, and pretty important to have lots of cupboard space, loads of space there, some USBs onto the side for charging phones, etc. Good kitchen area, sink with drying mat, and then lots of drawers, etc. Microwave, good size microwave, and then your TV bracket and all that sort of things around here, so when you're seated you can watch a bit of telly.
I can see the finishing touches have come a long way since 2017 Snowy.
Yeah, really good design with the curved cabinetry, nice rounded edges for the kids so they don't get hurt if they bump into things.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of really good features here that will play out as you go along. This is a sort of van you can travel around Australia and have loads of storage, and they're really nice. Look, there's loads of stuff outside that really makes this van stand out, that you really don't want all the kids inside all day, and if they are coming inside and they get dirty, I'll show you something. Just head out that door to your right and I'll show you some of the other features.
So one of the things we were talking about was the amount of storage space was really important to you and your family. So the Snowy River has the ability to change the designs and give you storage access to underneath the bunks, which gives you a heap more area because the kids are going to get dirty. You can chuck their wet weather gear in there and things like that. These are the windows to the bunk, so plenty of space. You've also got jacking points, nice big wheels, power inlets. But a really good thing is standard is an outside shower, so you can squirt the kids off whether they like it or not before they get into the van. And you've got twin tanks, and there are still more storage areas up the front here. You're able to get to this forward storage box here as well. Your hot water system, really good that they've plumbed in for the ability to have a second battery. We give you one battery standard, and then that's enough with solar panels, etc., to keep you out on the free camping, and you really have a great time.
Yeah, that's cool. And so does this go straight through?
Yeah, absolutely. So that goes through to a big box, and that flows through to fit a Weber or something like that on the other side. You've also got your breakaway and things like that in there.
Yeah, awesome. And
Yep.
is that a standard?
Yeah, absolutely standard.
Yeah, cool.
So this is your second visit at the Snowy River. This is the latest bunk van. What's your thoughts?
Look, we love it. We're keen as to get into another one. We were pretty sad after we sold the last one, actually. Yeah, do you have anything we can look at the options? Or?
Yeah, so from here, once you've decided that the van's what you want, we can start looking at options when we build one, or if you buy a stock van. But I think if we go inside and have a look at the options, we can sit down and add things like different colours on the stickers. You can actually start organising the bed to drop down, or if you want to access from underneath the bunk from outside. There's loads of little things that we can add to it, but pretty much this van is standard and ready to go, free camping right away.
Do you want to go have a look?
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, let's go.
So in this part of the process, what you've got are lots of choices with all your laminates and all your splashbacks and things like that. So we'll sit down and go through that. Once we've got the right colours for you and you've seen a couple of the sample caravans out there, we'll email you a spec sheet. And on that spec sheet, this will determine all of the things that you want to see on your caravan on the day of delivery. So this will be the final design, and you'll be able to have a really scrutinise this document, okay?
Yeah.
One of the reasons that people are buying the Snowy Rivers is the way they're manufactured, and that's really something that you've highlighted in your 2017 Snowy, that they're still made really, you know, as a robust caravan. You've got an aluminium frame, you've got the conduit for the wiring, etc., but there's this fiberglass. It's like a boat, really strong, and that's, I think, one of the reasons that we're selling so many of the Snowies. So on that process, you've got all the choices for your flooring. You've got a lighter and a dark sort of colour. You can then start putting fans inside, and we can place these wherever you like in the caravan. So there's some really good things. You'll also get now a brand new warranty and service booklet, so we can keep an eye on where you're going and what you're getting done to the van. Standard also nowadays is the rear camera and monitor that comes with the van, and you can start choosing leather for them, which I think is a really good thing for the kids.
That's
because you just
what
walk
lounge, is it?
Yep, for the lounge you can do that. And then there's different colours again for the laminates, etc. But you can have a look at the brochure.
Yeah.
And almost draw this to scale and start reconfiguring or adding PowerPoints and things like that.
Yeah.
And as you go along, you can talk about where those PowerPoints are going to be and if you want 12 volt and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because as the kids get older, they'll probably want to have USBs with
iPads and
iPads and all that sort of thing. Yeah.
Look, I think we're pretty keen to go to the dark floor this time.
Yep. Yeah, this is a really popular choice. So what we have there is something like that with the flooring.
So what's this colour?
So these will be lower covered, so you'll go from the
lower
floor,
colours, yeah.
lower covered, upper covered.
Yeah, that'll look nice. Yeah.
But certainly you can come back here and have a play around or have a look at the other vans that are in the yard
Yeah.
and see what the most popular colours are.
And so
Lovely.
can we put them next to the decals?
Yep, I know you're
Okay, that's
Port
decal
Adelaide
colours.
Barracker, so we can cut that out. But yeah, any of those stickers. Charcoal's really popular.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
we talked about it. I think we'd definitely go with the charcoal.
Yeah, charcoal, and then you can go for the outside of the caravan is in white, a silver colour which you were in the bunk van that was there, and then also that mocha
I
colour.
think we're pretty keen to go silver. Our last van was white, and we're pretty
Yeah.
keen just to go
Bit
and get
different.
something a bit different this time.
I think that would look awesome. I think you're looking at those three with the cabinetry and that lighter colour, and then the darker colour there. So that's basically what you're looking at.
Yep.
And with the charcoal decal, I think that'll look fantastic.
Lovely.
Yeah. So guys, to get this going, you're really happy with these colours.
Yeah, it's
You
awesome.
can put a $100 deposit on it. What that will do is put you into the queue. That means that we can start to build a caravan. We'll give you a check sheet with all of the information on it. Once you're happy with that and you sign it, then you can give me some further deposit. But in the meantime, let's just get the build going as far as the plan's concerned, getting your colours right,
Yep.
and if you're happy, we can move on.
Yeah, sounds awesome.
Yeah,
I'm
sounds
happy with
good.
that.
Yeah.
Cool.
So thanks for coming in, guys. Look, after 2017, you know what you're looking for, a really solid van. They're really built well. But not only that, you're getting a 10% discount across the road and on those parts. There's a network of dealers across Australia now, so you'll really be looked after, and we promise to look after you and the kids. Thanks very much. No worries. Cheers. Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Bye.